Hello, lovelies. Would you believe this is made from garden egg? I mean, the normal garden egg you and I knows. Since tomatoes are decided to be the king of the streets, man, in Nigeria, if you give us shege, we give you shege banza. The tomatoes decided to be so expensive, we go for alternative. Today, we'll be diving into how to cook Nigerian stew without single tomatoes, but rather with these garden eggs, as you can see. Let's get started, darling. Bring your seats. I went ahead to wash the garden egg, removing the heads and dicing it in a way that it will be easy for my blender to give me a smooth texture, just like as you can see in this video. It's quite simple to make. Once you blend your garden egg, you really don't need any more things to do. Just have in mind that you're cooking your normal stew for the day. This is very smooth blend right now. I also blended onions to make it very flavorful, and give it the normal stew taste. This is the outcome of the garden egg and blended onions. Garden eggs, once you open them, they come out black, like this color. It's not always white or red like you can see for tomato stew. So, but that notwithstanding, the taste it does not affect the taste. The taste is as yummy, as delicious as whatever you can imagine your normal stew will give you. So I blended the pepper also, adding it to the um dried, what would I call this, garden egg paste, African eggplant paste, and then went ahead to fry my onions and ginger garlic, just like I would do for my normal stew. Then this is it, guys. The stew is almost